Hi, everyone. Elizabeth Chritton here with Joiya, independent representative. And I wanted to talk to you about how to use the tinctures, okay? Because I know there's different companies and you can get it in different places and they all seem to have different directions, right? They sell in different quantities, different droppers, different, all of that. So this is how to use it with Joiya. First of all, you want to pick the flavor and the formula that's right for you, right? So there's the full spectrum that has all the different parts of the plant. So the CBD, the terpenes, the CB or the phyto CBDs, and like a trace amount of THC. They all kind of work together for the entourage effect. But then, like, let's say you live in Idaho, or maybe there's testing at your job and you can't even have a trace in your system, then they have the THC free versions. So, and when those are broad spectrum, full spectrum just has a trace of THC because then all the parts work together, but then they have broad spectrum without THC. Okay, so here's how you use it. So you shake the bottle and then you go ahead and you open the bottle. Oh, slightly childproof there. Okay, great. You read the instructions, shake well before use, and then bring peace to your body with one dropper as needed. So what you'll do is, because some people will take, and you're going to want to work with your Joiya representative. If you don't have one, my link's down below. Get connected and I can help you. But so you want to work hand in hand with your Joiya representative. But when you take it the first time, so you're going to try it for 3 days. And some people, they'll do a whole set and they're like, wow, this is amazing. My pain's better, or I'm sleeping better, or I'm much calmer than normal. Yeah, it's whatever you're getting it for. If it's helping you, stick with one dropper, right? And then, but for some people, they'll take it and they're like, well, I don't know, I can't tell. So after 3 days, your representative will then have you increase it a bit, right? For 3 days. And if I'm still not sure, then they'll have you increase it again. We just don't know each person. So we start with the base dose and then you can work your way up. Work with your rep to make sure you have the right amount. So you shake it well, you fill one dropper full. Let me see, I have to face it towards me. Okay, so you have one dropper full and then you put it under your tongue. And then if I do it right, I would stop talking to you. But yeah, you put it under your tongue and then I can't do it because I need to explain the rest. This is the cute part. And this is how Joiya is different than so many other companies. They tell you put it under your tongue and then take the time to write down 3 things that you're grateful for. Then swallow, smile, and appreciate the moment. So here's the cute thing. So while it's under your tongue, it just, because it's kind of being absorbed directly into the bloodstream, you just need to give it a chance to get absorbed. And so they tell you to just write 3 things down that you're grateful for. And that's about the timing to let it absorb. Super adorable. So I love that. And they have that on all of these. I think even, on the capsules, they have a different thing. For all of the different products, they have a care message in the directions. So one dropper full under the tongue, and then about the amount of time it takes you to write down 3 things you're grateful for, let it sit, then swallow. And like I said, there are people, they take it right away. They're like, oh my God, this is amazing. And then for others, you're going to try it for 3 days and work hand in hand with your Joiya rep and decide if you need to go up a bit and up a bit every 3 days until you hit your sweet spot and you're getting the results that you need. All right. Like I said, if you don't have one, connect with me down below. I'd love to help you out. All right. And be sure to subscribe because there's going to be so many different videos on how to use stuff and discounts and all kinds of things. All right. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.